Helmet works. She was like the Tourette's girl. Taylor, just scream. Every time you hiccup, just scream.
The fucking hiccups, man.
You sound like you're getting raped.
The fucking hiccups, get out the fucking hiccup.
What scared him out of it? Wait, one more time. Double kill.